Okay, so one of the other graph, let's just say we're going to use this example, f of x equals 2x squared minus 10x plus 4. So in this example, they would ask us to find the vertex and then plot at least 3 points. They ask us to plot the y-intercept. They ask us to plot the mirror image of the y-intercept. So let's first find the line of symmetry. So an example problem on the practice would be something where they give us something like this, where they say find the axis of symmetry, find the vertex, find the y-intercept, graph the equation by plotting the vertex, y-intercept, and mirror image of the y-intercept. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the axis of symmetry first. So if you remember from the first video, all we have to do is x is equal to negative b over 2a. Then you want to identify what is a. A is 2, b is negative 10. Then you want to just plug it in, so negative 10 to 2, and we get positive 10 over 4. We can reduce this to 5 over 2. So this would also be equal to 2.5, just for reference. So what we can do is we can plug this into our original equation, so f of 5 over 2, again, this is the reason we're plugging this in is because we know that this is the vertex. So we get 2 times 25 over 4 minus, and I'm just going to go ahead and leave this as 50 over 2. This reduces to 25 over 2. So all I did here is I did 2 divided by 4, and then I just reduced this because this would become 1/2, or 25 over 2. This becomes negative 25 over 2. I'm going to convert this by timesing 2 over 2, again, which is just 1. And this becomes 8 over 2, and we get negative 17 over 2, or we just have 8.5, negative 8.5. So again, all I'm doing is I'm just solving for the vertex by plugging in the line of symmetry. So all I'm doing is I'm plugging in the x value of the line of symmetry and then solving. Okay. So after this, I can go ahead and plot this on a graph. How do I know my y-intercept? Well, whatever number this is my y-intercept, right? Oops. So whatever number is just by itself, that is going to be my y-intercept. So my y-intercept would be at 0, 4. My y-intercept would be at 0, 4. Okay, so this is plotted at 2.5 and 8 and negative half. So 8. So that's my vertex. It tells me that my y-intercept is at 0, 4, which is right here. And so this is 1, 2.5 away. So you go half, 1, 2. Probably around right here. So our graph would look something like this, right? Our graph would look something like this. And again, all you really need to do is you just need to plot the y-intercept. You just need to plot the vertex, and then you just need to plot the mirror image of the y-intercept. Okay. So remember, if we draw an imaginary line right here, it's going to reflect over and be the same.